Hello to all good people of the world. This is Paul Whittakin returning to you to finish off the demonstration about squaring these numbers that we have in front of us using the universal law of numbers 369 code. And as I continue, I'll just start off right here. So basically we looked at these triangles and we saw that they have a left side and a right side. And we discussed the fact that they have a repeating sequence and an ending sequence on each side. So we're going to compare some of these sequences, and we're going to see that the left ends as such and the right ends as such, and we're going to examine these numbers a little bit more closely to see what's going on. First of all, I would like to point out is when I reduce these numbers, I get the codes 936, 639, 963, 369, which is the 369 code, and that is clear. In addition to that, if I make some observation about the number 1 and the number 8, I will see that the number 1 goes 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whereas 8 goes 7, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So they are similar. 2 and 8, 4, 9, 3, 8, 2, 7, 1, 5, 9, 4, 9, 3, 8, 2, 7, 0, 6, 0. Similarity. 4, 1975, 308, 63, 5, 1974, 308, 64. Okay, so those are the ending sequences on the left. And on the right, 98765431 is similar to 98765420, not identical but similar. 2 and 7, 950617284, 950617293, 950617293, 950617284. Difference between 84 and 93. 4 and 5, 802, 469, 136. Here we have 802, 569, 135. So we see a similarity. In any case, we're getting the code. Now we'll look and see what happens on the right side by itself, repeating and ending. Here we're going to get the code 963 and 369. Over here on the repeating side, we're going to get 852, 258. Or 258, 258. That's the 8258 code. And if we look at these numbers, we will see something going on as well, because we're going to see that 1 and 8, okay, 209, 876, 543, 209, 876, 543. Now that is an identical number. The repeating side is going to give us identical numbers. For instance, between the 2 and the 7, 950, 617, 283, 950, 617, 283. 4 and 5 is going to go 802, 469, 135, which is 802, 469, 135. So they are actually the identical numbers. And we see a pattern on the right-hand side as well. And basically what they're doing is they're morphing into a 9, and if you one of the powerful aspects about learning mathematics with the universal law of numbers is that we can bunch numbers together and we can start to see how they can be the same number. And in these instances, they are the same number. So as individual units, they are all numbers as well, as I demonstrate with this. Okay, so that's the right side repeating and ending, and the left side repeating and ending will do something like this. 1 goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 0, and 8 goes 7, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, that's the same thing. 2 and 7, 4, 9, 3, 8, 2, 7, 1, 6, 0, 4, 9, 3, 8, 2, 7, 1, 6, 0. 4 and 5, 1975, 308, 64, but here 308, 64, then the 1975. It's the same number, it's just rearranged. It's exactly the same number, and that's something we may observe because what it's doing is it's making a 9. That's the whole point. So let's look at the right-hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 790. Okay, but it's the same thing that went on over here. 790. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So we see how this number is morphing into itself, so to speak. And if we observe the codes that emerge on the repeating side, we're going to see that we get 149779419. And that is the code that we receive when we square numbers. If we square the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we're going to get 149779419. So basically, in a sense, that's exactly what we're doing. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but it doesn't go like that. It's 149779419. Now, if we examine, basically we did these triangles, the small triangles, and then I did larger triangles. And the larger triangles show you how it repeats from the 9th sequence to the 18th sequence. And we learned that, let's not do it with the 9, let's do it with the 8, because the 8's more illustrative of what we're talking about. So with the 8, we're going to receive, first of all, the ending sequence, 790, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 2, 09, 87654. So that's the ending sequence. The repeating sequence is not 790, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So down in the 18th position down here, we'll get that. 790, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the repeating sequence. Followed by 790, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 790, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, which is the ending sequence. Okay, so that illustrates it using this model. And now I want to point out to us, all good people, human beings of the world, not artificial intelligence. I'm not talking to artificial intelligence people, because they're not the same thing. I point out how the calculator is different than nature. Nature, the universe, the universal law of numbers, gives us perfection, not imperfection. And it gives us symmetry. And we can picture that in our minds when we do this exercise such as today. So, for instance, if I were to go 790, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and instead of saying 790 incorrectly, which I've done, by the way, and I've caught myself because I didn't use the 369 code to verify. So if I, instead of going 790, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 790 again, I go 790, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, excuse me, 789. Instead of 790, I punch into my calculator 789. And it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 2, 0, 9, 8, 7, 6. So if I punch that into my calculator and I take the square root of that number, it's going to give me the same answer whether I put 790 or 789. Now, that's I don't know, glitch. I'm not saying it's a glitch. It's just that the artificial intelligence has a different perception of reality, and it's not the actual reality. So the actual reality of these numbers is it comes from the 369 code, and we can see because 8, if we square 8, it's 64. So it's going to give us the sequence 149779419 again, and keep going 149779419 because it's an 8. And that's the way to understand the universe, and not the artificial intelligence way. So anyway, what we have is we have these larger triangles and the smaller triangles. So the smaller triangles, which look like this, and the larger triangles, which look like this. So I'm going to say that if I take this first 9, this segment of the first 9, it's going to be identical as the second segment of 9. Now, there's more numbers, they're bigger, but it's the same exact thing, and that's the point. And I will demonstrate that for you now by showing you that if For instance, on the little triangles, I add up the numbers. I'm going to just add up the numbers and I'm going to get the 369 code. And in this case, the 369 code is going to appear as such. 669, 669, 669. 669, 669, 669. So that's what it's going to do. And if I add up all of these numbers in this extension of that first triangle, which I claim is the same as the first one, and I do that, I'm going to also get 669, 669, 669, and now on the bottom I'm going to get 669, 669, 669, which comes from the universal law of numbers, because the universal law of numbers gives us that. If we reduce these numbers, columns down, it will also be 669, 669, 669. But the original grand scheme of the universal law of numbers is 696969 in that fashion. And you can see the universal law of numbers repeats on the sixth sequence when x turns to x equals 7. X squared, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then up here, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's why there's a difference, I suppose. But in any event, what we're going to look at is when we reduce those squares, those blocks, triangles, squares, they're going to reduce to like that: 149779419, 149779419, 149779419, 149779419, I suppose. And if we reduce that, we can look at that code a little bit differently. We can look at that as the 147 code by removing the 9s, and that's what 149779419 is. Without the 9s, for instance, it's the 147 code. And with the 147 code, we can extract that as being the 258 code because they're the same thing. So 1 and 4 is 5, 4 and 7 is 11 is 2, 7 and 1 is 8, 8, 2, 5. And we will get 5, 2, 8, 8, 2, 5, 5, 2, 8, 8, 2, 5. So we're turning the 147 code into the 258 code, because in many ways they're the same exact thing. One's a 3, one's a 6, fine. They're in a different position in the circle, fine, but they're doing the same thing as the 369 code is. So the 147 code gives us the 258 code, 528, 825, etc. But if we reduce those, we get the 6s, and that's 66, 6, 666. Illuminati people. And if we want, we can turn that into 3332 because 2 and 5 is a 7 as well. 777, these are the 7s. And the 7s give us the 3s, for instance. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 3 is 9. And it just highlights how what they're doing is this thing is moving around, and every time it goes a notch, all of the other ones adjust in the same direction. And they're doing the exact same thing. That's why, in some senses, there's not a difference between 528 or 852 or 285, for instance, although there is, because the direction will determine things. Now, this is all coming from the 369 code. And if we take those little triangles and we reduce them, we can look at them like this. If we add up the left-hand side and add up the right-hand side, we come up with this scheme of 669, 669, 669, and that's just natural. And if we take that extension from 9 to 18 of them and we add those up like that, we're going to get 669, 669, 669, which is a 9 as well. And if we add those together, well, 6 plus 6 is 12, and 1 and 2 is a 3. So if we add one of those together, we're going to get those two together, we get 339, 339, 339. And that's the 369 code. So you might begin to understand how just thinking of it in terms of the bigger picture, just those simple numbers, 369, 147, 258, you're following very large number movements in your head. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if there's something that I missed. Okay. All right, so I think what I'm demonstrating here today is that this universal law of numbers gives us repetitive sequences, which I call codes, and they're the 369 code, and it represents not only the universe of numbers, but really the universe itself, because life is repetitive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's as sure as the sun and the moon. It's the universe. So, what I would like to do is check out today, but before I do, I beseech all good people of the world with conscience, well, to take a stand on the side of humanity, equality, liberty, and peace, to stand against apartheid and those who promote censorship of our media, to boycott Israel and its infiltration of our government. But most of all, boycott and expose those who serve as cronies and stooges of this Zionist menace infection of our government, society, banking, media, the whole thing. And to the Christian evangelicals, well, if we learn the truth, you see, when we do these numbers, it's the truth, repeating over and over and over. So we learn to recognize the truth. So I would say to align with those who defy your God, you claim your God, Jesus, and to align with, those who defy your God is a betrayal of your God. You're defying your own God yourself. And as Americans, to align with, foreign influencers over our country is to betray our country, isn't it? Now, that's just very simple. And, of course, Jesus Christ does not condone apartheid. So, peace and happiness to all good people of the world. I'm signing out. My name is Paul Whittekind.